If you're planning to buy the iPhone 17, the iPhone 17 Pro, or even the newly introduced iPhone Air, you might want to think twice. What appears at first to be an exciting leap in Apple's smartphone lineup quickly turns into a story of small changes wrapped in high prices. Many early reactions suggest that Apple's latest releases may leave buyers feeling regret, as genuine breakthroughs are nowhere to be found. The one model that Apple has highlighted most, the iPhone Air, has been promoted as a feat of design because of its ultra-thin 0.22-inch profile and upgraded ceramic shield glass on both front and back, which supposedly makes it 4 times more durable. Yet, even this new design comes with compromises that many consider unfair. The Air only carries a 2,800 mAh battery, barely lasting 36 hours, and Apple conveniently recommends customers purchase a $299 battery pack to make up for the shortfall. In addition, prices across the entire iPhone 17 lineup are climbing higher. The Air, first introduced at $949, has already been bumped to $999, while the Pro and Pro Max models each jumped by more than $50 compared to their original launch price. To Apple's credit, the iPhone 17 models still take impressive photos with sharp details and zoom capabilities. For anyone seeking a premium camera, the lineup has its strengths. But for users wanting a durable, long-lasting phone at a fair price, the teslapiphone has started to emerge as a powerful alternative. At $789, the iPhone not only undercuts Apple's prices but also provides a battery that lasts over 4 days, while simultaneously offering free internet for life via Starlink satellites. This alone saves users $80 to $100 every single month on data costs. The promise of unlimited lifetime internet has transformed the iPhone into something far more disruptive than just another smartphone. And when Elon Musk revealed that Tesla's new foldable iPhone will launch in early 2026, the announcement sent shockwaves through both Apple's customer base and the wider tech industry. Nobody expected Tesla, known for cars and energy products, to so aggressively step into smartphones. Unlike the iPhone 17 launch, which focused on thinner frames and small AI tweaks, Tesla's entry revolves around a completely different philosophy. In Fremont, the company has reportedly built an advanced production line capable of pumping out smartphones at a pace Apple might struggle to keep up with. Musk himself has explained that the iPhone will be the first device to deliver direct satellite connectivity with download speeds of up to 300 megabits per second and latency as low as 20 to 30 milliseconds, without relying on cell towers. While Apple talks about super-thin frames, Tesla is building a device that stays online everywhere on Earth. As Musk put it simply, if you can see the sky, you'll have internet. The centerpiece of Tesla's design is its foldable screen, which aims to finally eliminate the flaw that has plagued every foldable phone to date, the crease. Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold ends up looking wrinkled after months of use, Huawei's Mate X failed to prove durable, and other attempts have fallen flat. Tesla's Flex hinge system, however, is built on a multi-rail hinge that removes fold lines entirely. When closed, the iPhone is just 0.31 inches thick and slips easily into a pocket. When opened, it expands into an 8-inch AMOLED 2X display without visible creases, turning the phone into a compact tablet ideal for multitasking, gaming, or streaming. Rated for 300,000 folds, the hinge is engineered to last a decade even under daily heavy use. Imagine being on a plane, where everyone else struggles with buffering Wi-Fi, and you open your iPhone to stream 4K video directly from orbiting Starlink satellites. This is the type of convenience Musk believes consumers really want. The advantage isn't just in design but also in cost savings. On average, Americans pay $85 to $100 per month for internet, meaning thousands of dollars over the lifetime of an iPhone. International roaming charges only add to the expense. By contrast, the iPhone completely bypasses carriers, removing both domestic bills and roaming fees. Analysts believe this move is not only about hardware competition but about breaking the grip that telecom companies have maintained for decades. Because Starlink satellites continue to grow in number, iPhone users will actually see speeds improve year after year, a stark contrast to iPhones, which tend to slow down over time. Beyond connectivity, Tesla is also changing the way a phone is built. Apple has struggled with material decisions, moving away from titanium after repeated issues with overheating. For years, Apple has marketed thinner devices as progress, but the cost has been shorter battery life, reduced durability, and weaker cooling. The iPhone 17 Air, at just 0.22 inches, is so thin that it sacrifices endurance and strength. Tesla, on the other hand, prioritizes robustness. The PiPhone combines aerospace aluminum alloy, ceramic coatings, Gorilla Glass Victus 2, and Tesla's custom ceramic glass, resulting in crack resistance 50% higher than competitors. Grade 6 titanium forms its frame, stronger than Apple's previous titanium attempts. Drop tests suggest the PiPhone can survive falls from 4 meters, while the iPhone May 17 crack from only 2 meters. Over time, Tesla engineers say the PiPhone retains 90% of its original condition after 4 years, while Apple devices often need repairs or replacements within 2. Battery life remains one of the most common complaints among iPhone users, and here Tesla again attempts a revolution. The iPhone 17 Air houses a 2,800 mAh battery, smaller than previous Pro Max models, while the Tesla Pi will come with a 6,247 mAh unit, enough for 4 to 5 days of typical use. This isn't just a larger cell, but one based on aluminum-ion technology, which offers higher energy density, faster charging, and longer lifespan compared to lithium-ion batteries used by Apple. Tesla's system charges from 10% to 80% in half an hour while protecting long-term battery health. Most importantly, the Pi's battery is designed to last 5 to 7 years before significant degradation, compared to Apple's 2 years. On top of that, Tesla has embedded solar charging technology into the phone's back, enabling emergency power through sunlight, an innovation that makes the device practical in remote or survival situations. Camera technology also enters new ground. While Apple maintains a 48-megapixel sensor, Tesla introduces a 50-megapixel system enhanced by proprietary AI, optimized for low light, detail, and cinematic clarity. Video can be recorded in 8K with stabilization powered by Tesla's neural core chip, producing professional-grade footage without the shakiness that plagues most handheld clips. Complementing this is Tesla's new operating system, XOS, based on Linux and designed with privacy at its core. Unlike iOS or Android, there are no ads, no hidden tracking, and no background data mining. AI personalization happens locally, while Grok, Tesla's intelligent assistant, integrates with the Tesla ecosystem, controlling vehicles, solar panels, energy storage, and even robots. For Musk, the smartphone isn't just a communication tool but a hub for the entire future lifestyle. Perhaps the most decisive factor, however, is cost. The iPhone 17 Pro Max sits at $1,249 before adding internet bills, iCloud storage, or extra accessories, meaning 3 years of ownership can easily exceed $4,000. In contrast, the Tesla Pi's $789 price already includes lifetime Starlink connectivity. This approach mirrors Tesla's strategy with electric cars, cutting margins to dominate a market. Just as the Model 3 disrupted the auto industry, the Pi phone aims to overturn the smartphone business model itself. Even water resistance shows the difference in philosophy. iPhones are marketed as IP68 resistant, but in real-world scenarios water can still cause hidden damage, often leading to costly repairs. Tesla's Pi phone not only meets IP68 standards but also includes an active water drainage system, meaning the device can protect itself after exposure instead of simply tolerating it. This makes it safer to use in rain, during hikes, or even under running water. Apple insists the iPhone 17 lineup is its most advanced yet, but the reality is that most people see small cosmetic improvements sold at higher prices. After more than a decade of incremental updates, the iPhone remains largely the same product, thinner, shinier, but not transformative. Tesla, meanwhile, presents the Pi phone as something different, durable, powerful, and cost-efficient, with features that challenge not only Apple but the entire telecom industry. The real question now is simple. Would you choose a slim and lightweight iPhone with limits, or a teslapiphone built for durability, performance, and global connectivity? The decision may ultimately define the future of smartphones.